At balitaan ko na lang po na kinabukasan ay ibinigay niya po doon sa mga DDS.
Ano po nangyari sa kanila pagkatapos maibigay sa DDS?
Kindly wrap up, Congressman.
Ayon po kay Sergeant Las Cañas, pinatay po nila sa utos si Pangulong Duterte.
Okay. No more questions, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Suwan. The next to interpellate is Congressman Keith Flores, and then Congressman PM Vargas, and then Congressman Johnny Pimentel, and then Congresswoman Jinky Luistro. And then we will shift to the next topic for today. Congressman Flores, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I only have a few questions, Mr. Chair, since most have already been asked by Congressman Suwan. Colonel Asierto, you testified earlier na medyo late nyo na na-discover ang involvement ni Michael Yang sa Dumoy raid. Tama po ba?
Opo. April 2016 na po, na-validate namin ng August 2017.
So, the raid in Dumoy was in 2004, and yung connection ni Michael Yang was only established by you through your investigation in 2016. Is that correct?
Opo. Tama po yun.
Okay. Same with Alan Lim? Tama po ba?
Kay Alan Lim po, 2003 pa ho, alam ko na po yung nahuli siya doon sa Cavite, 2003.
So 2003 pa, matunog na yung pangalan ni Alan Lim as someone who is involved in drugs. Is that correct?
Yung nahuli po sila doon sa loob ng laboratory.
Okay, just to make sure na we're talking about the same Michael Yang and Alan Lim. Are these the same Michael Yang and Alan Lim who were prominently figured also in the trips of the former President Duterte? Sila po ba?
Opo. Opo, baka po yung mag-ibang picture galing po sa akin, yung mga nakikita nyo picture, galing po sa aking case build-up.
Does the concept have pictures of this, Mr. Chair? Meron ba tayong pictures nito? Of the picture showing Alan Lim and Michael Yang together with the President, the former President?
I think, is this the one that you're...
Is this the one that you're referring to, Colonel Asierto?
Wala po akong nakikita.
Wala.
Sorry po.
How about that?
Ayan po, galing po sa akin yan. Meron po akong kopya niya.
So these are the same persons that you're referring to in your report?
Yes po, yes po.
And it is this report na sinabi mo na sinabmit mo kay former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa?
Opo.
And you also testified na walang nangyari doon sa report na binigay mo?
Wala po, pero namatay po yung dalawang kasama ko at may kaso na po ako ngayon at mayroong patong sa ulo na 15 million o 10 million.
Yeah, but publicly kasi sinasabi ni President na ayaw niya yung drugs, di ba? That he doesn't want to be associated with anyone who is involved with drugs, di ba? And you're saying that he was together with these two persons na which you included in your report. Would it be possible na the PNP also conducted its own investigation and cleared these two? Si Michael Yang at saka si Alan Lim?
I don't think meron pong proper investigation na ginawa to clear the two. Ang ginawa po is talagang clear na po nila kagad without proper investigation. Because if they had conducted a proper investigation, they could vetted my report na may mga attachment na warrant, court record, yung tattoo ni Michael Yang na dragon. So, I don't think they even invited Michael Yang and Alan Lim for interview or inquiry sa PNP saka sa PDEA.
Okay, did you share your report with Wilkins Villanueva, who was also with PDEA?
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi. So he wasn't aware that you made such a report?
Hindi po, kasi during that time, I believe compromised na siya.
Compromised? What do you mean, Colonel Asierto?
I he could not be trusted. Hindi ko na po siya pwede pagkatiwalaan ng mga ganyang impormasyon.
You can't trust General Villanueva who was working with PIDEA at that time?
Opo.
And bakit naman mo naman nasabi yan, Colonel Asierto? Just to be fair, General Villanueva is here eh. But why would you say that he cannot be trusted?
Alam niyo po, classmate niya, sabi nga niya, classmate niya, mag-classmate kami. Pero meron po siyang mga, may mga declaration siya na mali. Before pa. May mga kinukwento siyang mali na nakakaabot sa amin. So, hindi ko na siya mapagkakatiwalaan katulad nung nangyari noong 2004 yung sarili namin sa Domoy.
Alright, now, there were also reports that parang nabaliktad na ikaw na yung involved in drugs na lumabas from the PNP. Is that correct?
Opo, kasi nga po, hindi nila kayang i-discredit yung report. Ang discredit nila yung nagkumuha ng report.
In fact, former President Duterte made public pronouncements as to establishing a reward for your capture ba yun or your death ba? Was that, if I remember it correctly, tama po ba? Na he made public pronouncements
binanggit
na
niya po yan sa
may ilang milyon na reward for you?
10 million po.
10 million.
Ang DOJ, magsabi ang DOJ, 10 million.
Yeah, and in fact, he also mentioned something like, he was asking, bakit buhay ka pa?
Yes. Opo.
And that was a public pronouncement, is that correct?
Opo. Parang March 26 yata yan o something.
Okay, now, you keep insisting kasi na walang ginawa dun sa report mo and that Michael Yang and Alan Lim, as far as your investigation is concerned, are involved in drugs. Now, how solid is your investigation? And is it backed by any, siguro, substantial proof din to show na there's actual links between these two persons and the proliferation of illegal drugs?
Based po dun sa ginawa kong report, solid na po yung aking information. Ngayon, kung inaksyonan po sana nila Chief PNP ba to yan sa kanila Aquino at Albayalde, nag-conduct ng further investigation validation. Pero hindi na nga po nangyari yun kasi pinotektahan na kagad ng Malacanang ni Presidente Duterte at ni Bongo. So, hindi ko na po natuloy yung investigation. Kasi po ang laman po ng report ko sana is parang nagre-request ako ng mag-contact pa ng further case build-up.
But is it the
hindi
fact
nga nangyari.
General Abayalde got in touch with you and talked to you about your report? Di mo ba? Did you mention something like that before?
Ang kumakausap po sa akin tungkol sa report ko ay si Director General Aquino ng PIDEA. Si General Abayalde po, hindi niya po ako po ang lumapit sa kanya, nagbigay ng report sa kanya. Pinag-usapan namin yung report, pero wala pong nangyari.
So, Abayalde knew of the report? Kasi binigyan mo siya ng copy?
Alam niya po.
Aquino,
pero
Aquino knew of the report because he was given a copy by somebody else. Tama ba?
Yes, tama po. Ang nagbigay po ng kopya kay General Aquino ay si